Hey tech folks, how's everyone doing? Hope life is treating you well. If you could leave a like, it would really help us out. Hope you enjoy this camping gadgets. Let's get into the video. Care Lift. Having trouble getting your camper or motorhome trailer leveled? Perhaps it's time to consider Immock airlift pads. These pads are designed to handle loads of up to 11 tons each, providing an extra 20 centimeters of height. With their rib design, they offer stability and prevent wheel slippage, even on rocky terrain. Made from durable materials, they ensure you can park securely anywhere. Inflating them is easy with a hand pump. Each pad is available for $276. Nemo Stargaze Reclining Camp Chair. Take a look at the Nemo Stargaze, an innovative camping rocking chair that's ideal for all terrains. Its unique center of gravity provides exceptional stability, ensuring a smooth rocking experience. Designed with tall individuals in mind, it offers comfort with curved vertical supports and a generous headrest. The automatic tilt system guarantees ongoing comfort, while the aircraft aluminum frame can support up to 136 kilograms. Available in 5 colors, it's priced at $300. Shoal Tent. Imagine a floating tent. What design would you choose and what features would you want? Look no further than the SH Tent, which offers a 15 centimeters thick floor that doubles as a mattress. Safety is paramount with 3 separate air chambers, while stability is guaranteed by the square design measuring 2.4 meters on each side. The package includes a bag, patches, and a pump, weighing a total of 59 kilograms. All this is available for $2,900. Flicker Feather and Scout Feather. The Outdoor Element team has introduced a fresh take on survival knives, incorporating a simple yet ingenious concept. The sheath now includes a diamond plate for blade sharpening and a ferrite rod with a 115 decibel emergency whistle attached to the lanyard. Outdoor Element offers 2 options. First, the Flicker Feather, featuring a razor-like design for its 6.4 centimeters long and 1.9 centimeters wide blade. Then there's the Scout Feather, with a more traditional shape and slightly longer 7 centimeters blade. Both knives are made from VG10 steel, developed in Japan, and are available as a pair for $75. Drifter Plus Boondocks Hammock Combo. Don't leave it up to the trees to dictate where you can relax. With the $300 Drifter Plus Hammock Kit, the choice is yours. Weighing just 7.3 kilograms and capable of supporting up to 159 kilograms, this kit allows you to set up your hammock anywhere, whether it's a park lawn, shallow water, or a clearing along a hiking trail. Crafted from aluminum, the frame is rust-resistant and intentionally designed so you can sit in the hammock just like you would in a deck chair. Mars Players Prometheus 1. When preparing for a camping trip, what essentials do you think of? Many hikers would mention a flashlight and a lighter. Mars Players agrees, which is why they've developed a 2-in-1 gadget, a flashlight combined with a lighter. Sounds simple, right? But here's where Mars Players excels. Both light sources are attached to a telescopic stand included in the kit. So, when the flashlight battery runs out after 4 hours of use, you won't be left in the dark. This device is straightforward, compact, and practical in any situation. For example, the flashlight on the tripod is useful when you need to illuminate the area under your car's hood. This device is called Prometheus 1 and is priced at $149. Ecox Gear Sound Extreme. When it comes to finding Australia's top portable Bluetooth speaker, your search ends here. We've found the perfect option, the Sound Extreme SCB B26. This speaker is waterproof, dust-resistant, and built to withstand any adventure, whether you're boating or quad biking. With a robust 500W power output, it can keep the party going for up to 20 hours on a full charge. Featuring 8 speakers, including 2 powerful bass ones on the sides, it's a true powerhouse. It also includes a built-in microphone for calls and Bluetooth 5.0 compatibility. A bonus feature is the Orcs in and Orcs out capabilities. The only downside? The price tag, coming in at $1,100. Aero mattress. Similar to traditional mattresses, most mattresses are pretty standard. However, the Aero mattress stands out from the crowd. With the included pump, it inflates in just 70 seconds and deflates in only 60 seconds. This mattress is versatile, suitable for year-round use, and strong enough to support the weight of a car. Plus, its smart connectors allow you to connect multiple mattresses together. The pump is multifunctional, providing up to 4 kilopascals of pressure for mattress inflation, and is also useful for inflating floats or for vacuum storage. Oh, and it even doubles as a lamp that can last up to 10 hours. All of these features for just $99. EvoTrail. Traveling with suitcases and backpacks can often be a burden, but why endure that when you have the EvoTrail? This clever wagon is equipped with an 800W motor, a reliable battery, and sturdy wheels, ensuring you won't get stuck in snow or mud. With the EvoTrail, you can effortlessly haul up to 91 kilograms of luggage, and one battery charge can cover 24 kilometers. Its intelligent system adjusts to your walking speed, reaching a top speed of approximately 6 kilometers per hour. Interestingly, the EvoTrail is more budget-friendly than its competitors. Secure yours on Kickstarter for just $400. Tensile Universe. The Tensile Universe is like the avatar of the tent world, seamlessly blending all 4 elements. It offers more comfort on the Earth's surface than your average tent, thanks to its inflatable floor, which also allows it to float on water. If you're tired of motion sickness, simply hang it from trees for a swinging sensation. In short, it feels just as good in the air. Plus, the tent boasts a striking design and provides enough headroom to stand upright. It's popular with imaginative kids, offering space for up to 5 people totaling 9.3 square meters or 18.1 square meters with a rainfly included. There's room for both dreams and reality. When it first hit the market, the tent was priced at $2,000. Advanced Elements Summer Shower. Introducing the Advanced Elements Portable Shower, a gravity-operated marvel that requires no cords, batteries, or fancy setups. Even when it's nearly empty, the pressure remains strong. Here's the best part. On sunny days, the water heats up to 38 degrees Celsius in just 3 hours. The 19-liter version weighs a mere 600 grams when empty. The basic kit includes towel straps, a compartment for your soap, shampoo, and other essentials, along with a mirror and a temperature gauge. All of this is available for just $36. Around fire. Are you ready to start cooking over an open fire in just 30 seconds? Then it's time to set up the Around Fire table. The light version, weighing only 7.4 kilograms, is perfect for gatherings of up to 6 people. The designers have thought of every detail, including the steel mesh that not only allows optimal airflow but also protects you from sparks. The table's center is ideal for a barbecue if you're in the mood for some grilling. All this is available for $149. Introducing hitch-home, the world's first inflatable structured tent that conveniently attaches to your car. It comes in a box that resembles a garbage can, allowing you to ditch the trailer and unveil a comfortable 3-person tent. They claim it offers 22% more space than rooftop tents. The 15 centimeters thick airbed is a welcome addition. The entire package, including the box and tent, weighs 35 kilograms and comes with a handle and wheels for easy 1-person transport. Now, the only question remaining is whether you're willing to invest $1,770 in it. Aquaforno. Well, get ready for the 3-story marvel, the Aquaforno stove. This all-in-one wonder combines a boiler, grill, smoker, oven, and even a rotisserie. Each stove floor works independently, but when stacked, they form a tower weighing 18 kilograms. Assembly is a breeze, taking just 3 minutes. It runs on wood, briquettes, charcoal, or pellets. No wonder it won the Camping Product of the Year award in 2017. Maybe that's how you can justify the splurge of $500.
Anker Everfrost-powered cooler.
Take a look at the latest fridge evolution, the Everfrost by Anker. This masterpiece is equipped with 100W solar panels, not only for cooling food, but also for charging your gadgets via its built-in battery with 299W capacity. It includes USB-A and USB-C connectors for added convenience. Similar to regular fridges, Everfrost allows you to adjust the temperature, going as low as -20 degrees Celsius. Forgot your drinks in the sun, and now they're at 25 degrees Celsius? No worries, just toss them in the fridge, and in just 30 minutes, they'll reach 0 degrees Celsius, even without ice. This nifty device is priced at $800. The Dukin Loft Penthouse. Introducing the Dukin. It's not just a tent, it's a 2-story structure with awnings and hammocks that elevate your camping experience to new heights, offering a level of comfort and convenience that surpasses traditional tents. While regular tents may feel like small, basic apartments, the Dukin feels more like a luxurious loft or penthouse. What makes it stand out is its ease of setup. A single person can assemble it in just 15 minutes. Designed to accommodate up to 4 people, its universal supports make it suitable for various terrains, including snowy areas and shallow water. With a frame capable of supporting loads up to 300 kilograms, it's both sturdy and versatile. Plus, you can use the hammocks and frames separately. However, the only downside is the price, which even with a discount comes to $2,750 on Kickstarter.